Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're all doing great. For those of you that have never been to my channel before, thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that are subscribed or been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And for those of you that are not subscribed, I would really appreciate it and love it if you consider subscribing. So I just wanted to get into this item that I received. Well, I have two things to show you, but so you all know how I've been on this Coach kick this year, right? And then some. So Coach released some of their fall collection, and yeah, obsessed with it. I have a couple of items, to be honest with you, 3 items that I've ordered, but they're coming separately. And I got one so far today, and I just wanted to show you all. I haven't seen it myself in person. I only saw pictures of it. And anyways, so first of all, handbag of the day. I've been carrying my Tabby jelly in the clear. Obsessed with the jelly tabbies. And if you guys don't know, I have the black one and I have the clear one. So this is what I've been carrying around. It fits quite a bit. That is all my stuff in there. And yeah, I'm not gonna get into what I have in here, but it's my typical essentials. But that is, like, I have my mini pochette in the back, and I have like my 2 lipsticks in here, so they're like really showing. And then you can see that. And then in the front, like, I have this little My Melody pouch, so you can't really see it. It's my AirPods, my Coach denim card case, and so on. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lipstick on because my lips are a little bit dry. And this is my Dior black engraved lipstick. It's like a lip glow, I guess is what it's called. But anyways, so received this in the mail today from Coach. So while I open that up, quick story. So I think I have mentioned to you guys in some other videos that I don't have a Coach store near me. The closest store is an hour and a half away. So I don't have an essay. I haven't had an essay in a while. I usually just go on the website and I order on the website. I have been ordering from Amazon ever since Amazon offers their items. And but recently, when this fall collection came out, I'm stocking this particular item. And anyway, so I called my nearest Coach store, and I've been chatting on the phone and on text with an essay. He's really sweet. And yeah, and talking to him, he sent me some pictures of what they had at the store for the new collection. He mentioned that this particular item, they were maybe not supposed to put out just yet. I think it's supposed to come out. I think they were supposed to put it out in the store for Labor Day weekend, like September 1st. Don't quote me on that. That's just kind of what he was saying. Anyways, this is one of the items that I ordered through him, and he shipped it to my house. And it is not on the website yet. At his store, they only had 2, and he sent me one of the 2. So excited. So I have, at least for the time being, I have this one essay that I'm talking to, and I am going to be going to that store within the next couple of weeks, and I'll be meeting him in person and hopefully, you know, getting a relationship going. But yeah, so I'm excited about that because I haven't had a Coach essay forever, because I haven't bought Coach, not like I have this year or like I used to. I mean, I would buy a handbag here and there in the past. Maybe I bought like 3 in the past 5 years. So I didn't have an essay anymore. But with all this Coach purchasing and gifts that I've been getting from my fiance, like, I need to have an essay. So this is the box opened, and it's got the Coach don't know. I always forget. What is that called? Creed? The Coach Creed right here. And then that's what it looks like. OMG, what is up with the red ribbon? That is, oh, girl. That is what it looks like. Because I'm used to seeing the brown ribbon. Have any of you received anything with this red ribbon? This looks so fally to me. Look at this. How adorable is that? Okay. So, you're going to see these with me for the first time. Because maybe some of you have seen it in person when you're out and about shopping. I know it's not on the website. I haven't been able to find it anywhere online. They're supposed to only be at the stores. When I call the website, they don't even have it. Some stores got some of them, and as far as I know, they were not supposed to put them out. But anyways, I just said all that before. Why am I repeating myself? I'm excited. Here it is. I took the bow off. Here it is. It looks like a big item, but I don't think it's that big, but we'll see. So I'm gonna take this off, and when I open that tissue, it's just more tissue. Oh my gosh, are you guys peeking? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? You see that? You see that? You see that right there? Ah! Stop! Guys, do you guys see that? This is one of the fall charms, and it's one of the clusters. Now, you guys, I spent my 20s in New York City. I used to live in New York, and that's what I got. This is the cluster with the Empire State Building, the small apple, and the small taxi cab, the yellow cab. Now, as far as I know, there's going to be 2 clusters. This is one of them for the fall, inspired New York collection. And the other one is a little bit bigger than this. The apple is bigger. The yellow cap is a little bit bigger than this one. But instead of the building, it has the Statue of Liberty, which is much bigger. So, he did have that one at the store. However, I know they're supposed to release, or I understand they're supposed to release the Statue of Liberty by itself as a charm. Okay? So I'm hunting that one down when it comes out. And he knows I need to have it. So because I want the Statue of Liberty by itself, I decided not to get the cluster that has the Statue of Liberty. And I just had to get this one because I just feel like the colors match more with all my handbags, with most of them at least. The Statue of Liberty being that pop of that green color, whatever color that is. It's like you all know the color of the Statue of Liberty. I just felt like I'm gonna get away more with this, and it's a really big cluster. I wish I can show you all the pictures that he sent me. He sent me pictures with them next to each other, up against purses. He did put them up against some of the new handbags for fall, like the Empire, one of the small ones. I think it's a beautiful bag. I don't think I'm gonna get into that bag because I feel like I have a couple of silhouettes that are similar. Anyways, he did pair it up with what is it called? The Times Square tabby in the big size, but just hold off on that Times Square tabby. I'm obsessed with it, and I am gonna get one, at least one, but still working on it. Just stick with me. Okay. What do you all think about this? What is going on with this? I mean, listen, guys, I thought this was gonna be what do they call that? Die cast. I thought it was gonna be more like metal or enamel, but it's actually plasticky. But I'm not complaining. I'm not obsessed. I'm not upset about that. I am obsessed with this cluster. But in the little wheels, they move, so that's cute. I'm thinking if it was die cast, maybe it would not. The apple, but it is kind of plasticky. I'm gonna tell you. The details are just adorable. It's got like the little seal. And just it's got the little, you know, checkerboard, and it's like the taxi cabs from like the 50s. But the apple is the same size as, I do know that they have on the website the pretzel, the small pretzel. I don't know if they're gonna release the big one, but I know they already have the small pretzel. Some of you probably already got it. And they have the small single apple charm, which is supposed to match the size of this apple. Now there's gonna be a bigger apple being released, but as far as I know, it's not out there yet. The Empire State Building, it's gold. It is heavy. There's nothing flimsy about this one. It is heavy. That's what it looks like in the bottom. I don't even know what it says. Oh, it says Coach. I'm wearing my contacts and I just can't see like tiny letters or whatever with my contacts on. And if I'm wearing my glasses and I need to read this, then I need to take my glasses off. It's just, my eyes are not what they used to be. But that's got the little Coach letters on there. I got it upside down. How cute is that? And then you get the lobster clasp, right, with the little Coach tag, and then you get the ring like for your keys or whatever, right? And this is all leather. It's very sturdy. It's very strong. This is very well finished, very well put together. Yeah. So, guys, I wanted to show you that because I'm just like obsessed, right? Now I got one more thing I want to show you. This is not from the fall collection. This is just an item that I like, and I have a couple of these. My receipt is in here. And anyways, but this item that I'm about to show you, I got in Marari. And anyways, so I got this. I've had this for a little while, maybe for a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I just haven't, you know, I opened it and I checked it out. I looked at it, but I haven't like used it. So it came in just a regular cardboard box. I got it in Marari. It came in this bubble wrap pouch thing. It's wrapped in the Coach packaging, and I guess you all can already tell what it is. Is it upside down? It's upside down. So, and this is try to open this. If you see me looking that way, I'm just looking at my cat. He's over there staring at me like, what are you doing? What did you get now, woman? Like, stop getting things. So it's you know, I took it out of the Coach plastic. It's wrapped in this, and here he is. I got the Coach teddy bear charm, and he's the one, I don't know what I don't know what he's called, but he's the one that's beige. There's two of them. There's a beige that is just beige, and this is the beige that has the signature print or the signature canvas or lettering or whatever you call it. It's very kind of like faded, but those darker brown marks are meant to be the CCs throughout his body. Do you all see it in the back? Do you see on the back of his head? So those are supposed to represent the CCs all throughout his little body. But there's another one just like him that is just beige without any of the signature C on it. So I'm obsessed with him. I got 2 more of him, and I have the red one and I have the patchwork, which is like different colors. And I've been stalking him for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger. I didn't pay full price for this. This is new, as you can see. This is new with the tag and everything. It's never been opened. It's never been used. It's got the original wrapping, and he was at a really, I think you all know this, run for $195. I don't even know if they have him anymore. I know they have the chocolate brown right now. They might have him. I'm not sure, but he's $195. But I did get him under retail through Marari. I mean, can we talk about this? Too matchy. I don't know, don't care. How cute is he? How cute is he? He'll go with my LVs that I use for work. I use the big Neverfools, like the size for work, usually to pull my laptop. This is him with this bag. So, you know, I mean, he's gonna go with a few more things than the red and the patchwork one. So just get this out of the way. He can go with my gold Fendi. Yeah. So yeah, okay, on that note, let's go back to this beautiful cluster. Guys, this is my first piece from the fall collection. I'm obsessed. I'm so glad I asked him to send me this. He's a little bit long, so I don't know. I've never cared, or it doesn't bother me to have like huge dangling things off of my purses. Like it doesn't bother me at all. Let's see this. That's kind of what it looks like next to the, you see what I'm saying? It's kind of long, but I love it. The apple, like I said, this is let me see. The heaviest item is the building. It is like a die cast. It's definitely metal. This is more like a, if I had to call it anything, it feels like an enamel. So I wonder if this is gonna chip. I need to be careful with it. It's got the cute little this leaf is definitely enamel. It feels like, at least. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait until it gets cool to bring this out. I want to carry this bag so bad. Look at this. This is just perfect. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Okay. I did get 2 more items from him. I don't have them yet. They're coming in the mail. These just arrived today. Like this cluster just got left on my front door. And I got 2 more things from him. This one came directly from the store. He shipped it to me. The other 2 are coming from the distribution center. So here's my receipt. And for the 3 items that I got, 1 being the cluster, the other 2 are also fall items that just got released recently. That's all I'm gonna say. So I am stocking a another bag, but we'll talk about that another time. Anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. Mostly this beauty right here. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have one of these, if you have picked one up, one of the clusters at your local stores, or if you have any of the new items. And yeah, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.